Hi there. So in this video we are going to talk about PHP break and continue. So first let's see about break. The break is used to stop the loop at some point. So without wasting time, let's see how break works. So I'm gonna create a new file. You will see the continue after the break. So let's take an example of for loop. Where it will start from 0 to 5 and we will increment it by 1. Now let's execute this program. So currently it prints 0 to 5. Now we will use break. So let's say I want to break when the number is 3. So let's check the if condition. If n equal to 3, then break. Let's execute this. So now 0, 1 and 2. So we are breaking before echo. Let me put this over here. So as you can see, after 3 it will break. So it won't execute further loop if we put break. Let's check if n equal to 1 and break. So it will iterate only 0 and 1. Once it become 1, it will break the loop. Very simple. So this is how break works. Not that hard. Now continue. So it is used to skip an element from the loop. So again, so now let's reset the loop, and now I want to skip number 2. So I will check if n equal to 2, then continue. So what it will do, it will check this number, and if it is 2, then it will skip this execution. So it won't print this. So as you can see, 0, 1, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, this is how simple break and continue. And if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.